outdoor space. It is a really nice area to kind of stage some of our educational activities, gather students for those beach walks that we do. And so it really aids in our primary mission of education and public outreach and public service. We offer shark dissections, squid dissections, fish printing, seaweed pressing. We do also a marine debris activity where we're teaching students about the importance of watersheds and how their different activities, daily activities, can affect the amount of marine pollution and debris that ends up in our waters. It's really important, I think, to kind of foster a sense of purpose and wanting to kind of help and understand and appreciate our coastal communities and work towards conserving them.